Did you know that chia seeds were once used by ancient Aztec warriors for energy and endurance? That's right, these tiny, unassuming seeds were the secret weapon of one of the most formidable civilizations in history. The Aztecs recognized the power of these seeds, using them as fuel during long journeys and intense battles. But as we moved into the modern era, chia seeds fell into the background, overshadowed by more exotic superfoods. Yet they've been quietly holding their own, waiting for their moment in the spotlight. And it's high time we gave them the credit they deserve. Despite their diminutive size, these seeds are a nutritional powerhouse. They're brimming with fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids, among other beneficial nutrients. Despite their small size, chia seeds pack a nutritional punch that many people are unaware of. So let's dive deeper and uncover the untold story of chia seeds, the unsung hero of superfoods. So, what makes these tiny seeds so powerful, you might ask? Well, let's dive into the nutritional powerhouse that is the chia seed. Despite their size, chia seeds are packed with essential nutrients that are vital for our health. They boast a high fiber content, which aids in digestion and can help keep you feeling full longer. This might be why those ancient Aztec warriors found them so useful. But wait, there's more. Chia seeds are also a great source of protein, a vital building block for our muscles and tissues. But perhaps most impressively, chia seeds are one of the richest plant sources of omega-3 fatty acids. These little guys are bursting with these heart-healthy fats, which are known to reduce inflammation and lower the risk of heart disease. But that's not all. These seeds have more to offer. So stay tuned, because we're about to uncover even more incredible benefits of these tiny yet mighty seeds. You might be surprised to learn about the other health benefits of chia seeds. This tiny superfood, often overlooked in the hustle and bustle of our daily lives, is a treasure trove of health benefits. Let's start with weight loss. When chia seeds are exposed to water, they expand and form a gel-like substance. This expansion can help you feel fuller for longer, reducing snacking and overeating. A study published in the Journal of Strength and Conditioning concluded that chia seeds could significantly boost an individual's feeling of satiety, helping to control their weight. Next up, heart health. Chia seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids. These fats are known for their ability to lower the risk of heart disease. In fact, a study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that the regular consumption of chia seeds led to significant decreases in triglycerides, a type of fat in your blood that can increase your risk of heart disease if levels are too high. Last but not least, let's talk about bone health. These little seeds are packed with several key nutrients important for bone health, including calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium. Did you know that chia seeds contain more calcium per gram than most dairy products? Indeed, a study in the Journal of Food Science and Technology found that chia seeds could be a natural alternative source of calcium for individuals who do not consume dairy. But remember, while chia seeds are incredibly beneficial, they should not be seen as a magic bullet for health. A balanced diet and regular exercise are equally, if not more, important. It's also worth noting that everyone's body is different, and what works for one person may not work for another. Always consult a healthcare professional before making any drastic changes to your diet or lifestyle. As you can see, chia seeds are more than just a health fad. They're a nutritional powerhouse. So next time you're at the grocery store, don't just walk past the chia seeds. Give them a try. You might be pleasantly surprised by the benefits they can bring to your life. In summary, chia seeds are a superfood worth incorporating into your diet for overall wellness. These tiny powerhouses of nutrition were once the fuel of ancient Aztec warriors, and today, they stand ready to bolster your health in a myriad of ways. Packed with fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and a host of essential minerals, chia seeds offer a nutritional punch far beyond their modest size. Their high fiber content helps regulate digestion, while the omega-3 fatty acids contribute to heart health. But that's not all. These seeds also aid in weight loss by keeping you feeling full longer. And remember, despite their size, they can make a big difference in your diet. So why not consider adding these tiny yet mighty seeds into your meals? Sprinkle them into your yogurt, blend them into smoothies, or even bake them into bread. Chia seeds are versatile, nutritious, and definitely worth a try. Don't forget to like this video if you found it informative and share your favorite way to use chia seeds in the comments below.